Jai Hind warriors, welcome to the another vlog of Digital Forging. This vlog is really very special for all of us. My father today is retiring after the service of 39 years, 11 months, and 11 days, which is approximately 40 years of service to the nation. So I decided to record this last day and put it on my YouTube channel, as it will be, forever kind of thing for all of us. So I'll just show you everything to you. अभी पीछे my dad is coming. I'll try to get a clip of his. कुछ कैमरा पे अगर वो बोलते हैं एटलीस्ट लास्ट डे, नहीं तो कैमरा पे ही इज़ वेरी नहीं बोलते। हाँ
भाई ये तो नहीं है ना।
नहीं नहीं
क्लोज करना ना, क्लोज कर देंगे। नहीं दिया, आने के बाद ले लूँगा। सिलेंडर दोनों बाहर रखी,
दोबारा आएगा।
हाँ तो पहले उधर से फॉर्म ले आऊँगा ना, फॉर्म ले आऊँगा,
कागज ले आया?
कागज ले आऊँगा अभी जब।
नहीं पता, वो बंदा लाया
कौन वाली?
रियली सॉरी बट आई ट्राइड कुछ कैमरा पे बोले लास्ट में, बट कुछ नहीं बोला बिकॉज कैमरा पे it is not allowed to say anything when you are in uniform, and being a proper Fauji, he is very reluctant to tell anything until unless वो ऑथराइज नहीं हो कैमरा पे, एंड बिकॉज दिस इज़ द लास्ट डे ऑफ सर्विस, तो कोई he does not want any kind of blunders to happen. And I'll today most probably will be shifting to the army guest room. वहाँ पे भी I'll try to get the video clip if possible to all of you guys. And the good news is that now he will be guiding every aspirant for the SSB interview process. उसमें I'll be helping him, or it will be very effective, I would say, because he has experience of more than 39 years, like I told you guys, and served more than 10 regiments of the world and served in every part of the country, and have experience of being a soldier, being an officer in Indian Army. So I would say that it will be really helpful for you. So stay tuned with me. Today is really very special day. I would say that मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा will be missing this environment, but hope for the best. TA is coming and we'll move forward to fill up the form of the TA. Jai Hind all. Stay tuned with me. So friends, again I'm back. Abhi soon my dad would be coming from office. I want to record, जैसे आते हैं जिप्सी से, तो इसलिए मैं बाहर आ गया हूँ अभी। और इट इज़ वेरी इमोशनल डे, बहुत ज़्यादा ना, बहुत अंदर से फीलिंग आ रही है, बिकॉज नो वन वांट्स टू लीव फौज वंस दे हैव बीन इनटू दिस organization for 40 odd years. So काफ़ी ज़्यादा इट इज़ रियली वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, कि ऐसा लगता है कि जब आए थे कैंट एरिया में वो बस कल की बात है, एंड नाउ वी आर heading towards the hometown soon. सो एवरीथिंग इज़ पैक्ड. अभी मैं थोड़ी देर में आई बी शोइंग यू ना फौजी जो घर है हमारा पूरा पैक हो चुका है. एंड bidding goodbye to the army cantonment area as well as proper army lifestyle जो होता है. But once a soldier is always a soldier. So whenever you know you when you join army and you retire, you go to any place, any cant area, you will be getting the same respect as you know got when you were commissioned into the army. Hi sir. नहीं नहीं अच्छा है. चलो चलो चलो.
आया तुम
अभी तो नहीं आए बंदे यार.
दोबारा
हाँ उन्होंने बोला ये मेरे को दे दो बैग.
ये दोनों में
हाँ जिप्सी बंद कर दो आप.
कुछ नहीं लिया इन लोगों ने, नंबर वगैरह कुछ नहीं.
चलो की ओर आ जाओ खाना खा के उस तरफ है फ्रिज में ताला ना
नहीं फ्रिज नहीं भी.
बस जाके छोटो ना 10 बदले गए तो भी खाना खा लिया नंबर तो लेने थे कोई नहीं है
मैं तो बता रहा हूँ ये का
मैडम कहाँ है
अंदर अंदर. कैसा रहा फिर आपका लास्ट डे? हाउ वाज योर लास्ट डे? नहीं हाउ वाज योर लास्ट डे? हाउ वाज योर लास्ट डे?
Last day is perfectly okay. A lot of hectic schedule due to any taking and other equipment clearance. Commander met commander and handed over the memento to commander, and as a token of remembrance, the brigade headquarters has also given the memento. I have handed over the charge to Colonel Thapa. My arrival will be coming on 27th of June. He will further hand over the charge to the officer posted to GL section. This is one of the unique organization. Indian Army is unmatchable, disciplined force, and I have learned a lot of things in the Army organization, because when I joined this organization, I was 17-year-old. Even I did not save for 2-3 years. After putting 3-4 years service, I used to clean my save. Almost for last 40 years, I have served all the parts of the country, including foreign country Bhutan and Nepal, and I got the opportunity to serve right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from Kutch Bhuj to Arunachal, Belong, Tuan. It's a great organization, and it is said that once a soldier, always a soldier. Thank you.
उसमें डाल दो पहले, नहीं तो
ये आएगा,
ये डाल दो,
ये फ्रंट आएगा, ये
उसमें डाल के ऐसे फंसा के खड़े कर देंगे।
ये आएगा फ्रंट।
हाँ,
ये इसका फ्रंट।
आगे पकड़ना अपना।
उठ जाएगी।
उसको केबल में डाल दो। केबल में इतनी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें नहीं रखे, और प्लास्टिक का वो बोल रहा है कि केबल में डाल दो। चला का आप नहीं हो सर, ये छोटी गाड़ी मंगा के बड़ी गाड़ी का सामान रख दिया आप।
देखो बनाते हैं ये लोगों को।
So friends, now we have handed over everything to the right authorities, and now we are moving forward to officers mess,
मैस मैस डाल रहे हैं।
and वहाँ पे जाके थोड़ा we'll just record last moments of the unmatchable army life, which is really very I would say, जो कोट है live a life less ordinary, which is really very true. So this is our brigade officers mess. Serving in army for more than 40 years, that's, you know, itself is a very big thing. Any serving in, you know, every part of the country, from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh.
आपको बैठे हैं।
This is the guest room, last day रहने के लिए फौज में, being in service. वैसे तो we can, you know, stay in army guest room whenever we want prior to the booking. जय हिंद भाई. I mean, this feeling of this environment is unmatchable. You cannot, you know, कैमरे पे रह के and showing it to you, उससे नहीं justify कर पाऊँगा इस feeling को. आवाज़ भी नहीं निकल रही है मुँह से मेरे तो. Welcome back, warriors. So this is the second day of staying in the army guest room. You can see the view. It is really very beautiful. अभी थोड़ी देर में यहाँ का जो अपना हेलीकॉप्टर है एयरफोर्स का, वो फ्लाई करेगा टू धारचूला to take the logistic thanks to the soldiers who are posted in the extreme conditions there. उसको पीछे you can see the helicopter. I'll just zoom it for you. Zoom नहीं हो रहा. I'll just, you know, दूसरे clip में I'll take the full flight of this helicopter. And then tomorrow, after staying here for today, we'll be heading towards our hometown, which is Sarkaghat in Himachal Pradesh, approximately 900 kilometers, and I'll be recording that journey too उसके बाद I'll end this vlog, and I want you all to please like this video, and if you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, plus share it with all the your family members, friends, so that it can help us to make more videos like this. So enjoy the flight of this Raptor. Good morning, all. So last day, finally, we're heading towards our hometown, which is Himachal Pradesh. And before I start, I just want to record everything and show it to you. And just a second. So friends, so how are you feeling after completing approximately 40 years of service to the nation, and what message you would like to give to all the aspirants who are preparing for the defense examination and doing lot of hard work day and night to get through the SSB process?
All I have to say that I would like to thank all my officers, JCUs and Jawan who have helped me to complete this journey for last 4 decades. And also to my family, my wife, children, my parents, my relatives, my civilian friends, army as well as in civil. This journey was not possible due to their help. And now, after completing every formalities, we are heading towards our homeland. And my last night posting here at Uttarakhand, Pithoragarh is also called Land of Goddess. And today we will be halting at Chandigarh, and tomorrow morning by say 9 o'clock we will move further to our native place Raghavat. I thank all my friends, family, wife, children, army personnel, everybody who has helped me to complete this journey right from the age of my 17 years. When I joined the Olive Green, this organization, this is unmatchable, this is uncomparable organization in the world. This is most disciplined force. I consider myself lucky to join this army. I have learned a lot of things. Even though my grandfather was also in the army and he fought the First World War. During that time, the then government has given us 20 acre land in which we are residing right now. I thank you all the best. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
मेरा फोन कहाँ है तेरे पास जरा?
इसके पास किसका फोन? क्या बोलता है?
So warriors, now finally we have reached hometown. This is all the celebration जो कि घर वालों ने करके रखा था for the retirement function. यहाँ पे my dad is giving a bit motivational speech to all the families जो भी हमारे function में आए हुए थे. और आई होप आपको अभी तक का जितना भी हमने आई हैव रिकॉर्डेड दिस थिंग आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. एंड अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है वीडियो, यू कैन सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, यू कैन शेयर दिस लिंक विद ऑल द डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स एज वेल एज with your family members so that they can also see this. So friends, enjoy this video. Till the time, Jai Hind and take care.